Hi guys, I'm going to show you guys how to log in, how you guys log in, get into Epic. So first you will go to Google Classroom, go to classwork. If you go down to learning sites, you can see Epic Reading. That is the class code, just in case you're not already in the class. You will hit this to go in. So, but it does not have the class code for me. I can log in with Google, but for some reason it's not working for me. If you're an educator, so an educator would be our teacher, Miss Koth. She can enter an educator email or she can make an account. So I'm going to have to go in with the class code. And once you have the class code, you hit go. Once you're in, it'll show you all of these, so you can click on whichever one is you. So this is mine. It takes me straight into my thing. If it doesn't take you into yours, well, it will take you into yours, but for some people, not all people, but for some, it will make you put in your password, so that is just your lunch number. You can go to that. It'll show you view profile, where you can just see everything on your profile. You can switch your student profile, or you can log out. If you click on mailbox, you can see the different things that Miss Koth assigns us. If you're not going to your mailbox, you might want to go to your library. In your library, you can see your favorites, or you can see the recent books you read. Explore is just basically where you start off in. So I'll see all the For You books. So these are just the books it suggests me. The books I've read, comics, everything like that. You can see all of these, where if you click these little arrows, it'll show you more, and if you're interested in one, you'll just click on it and it will show you the book. Your AR is your reading level, so basically saying what you can, like where you're at for reading, so how good you read, how fluently you read, different things like that. You can see comics.
Come on, grab your friends, we'll go to very distant lands. We'll take the dog and then the human, the fun will never end. It's adventure.
Tons they have videos, they have audiobooks, and regular books that you can read. They have books that are read to me, so they have books. These ones are read to me, so the narrator of the thing will read the book to you. If you go to videos, you can see all of the different videos. You can explore the videos. You also have audiobooks. So the audiobooks are very, very similar to the Read to Me books. If you want a certain book, like say I'm looking for, then I can find what I want. I can put in my age, just that it'll give me different things. The books for them, it'll show me the books, the videos they have. If they do not have any videos, it'll just give me the no content. Read to Me, audiobooks, collections, and the quizzes on the books. And once you're done on Epic, then you just hit log out, and it will simply just take you to this. You can see a bunch of different things. Put in your class code, the blog. You can log in. That one's for educators, or you can hit get started if you don't already have an account. But that's basically it. Bye.